Hi there, first and second grade. This is Mrs. Lizaola again, welcoming you back to music class. This is our second week together, and we're gonna jump right in and learn some wonderful stuff today. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and that you got to do something fun, even though the air outside was very yucky. It really was. I went outside and I was looking, and it was so smoky, and the air was thick, and it was hard to see, and it was kind of hard to breathe, and it made me miss when the sky was blue. I like when the sky is blue because you can play outside and you can look up and you can see the sun shining so brightly, and you can look at the clouds and see if they have any funny shapes to them or see if they're shaped like animals. And I like looking up at the sky and the trees and seeing the happy birds flying around. I really like birds. Some of my favorite birds are called dicky birds. They're very sweet little birds. In fact, I wanted to show you something about dicky birds today. I'll show you right now. I'm gonna sit back here so you can see me a little bit, and I'm gonna sit just like this with my knees up to the side. See that? You can join me down here if you'd like. I want to show you something. I'm going to pat on my knees like this. Can you try that? Try it with me. Very nice. It's very steady, sort of like a heartbeat. And it's kind of like my knees are my drums. Very cool. Listen to this. Two little dicky birds sat on a hill. Hey, two dicky birds sat on a hill. This must be a hill. This must be a hill. This is my hill right here. And that means these are my dicky birds. Let's try it again. Put your dicky birds right on the hill. Here we go. Two little dicky birds sat on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Aww, it's Jack and Jill. They're so cute. Show me your Jack and Jill. Aww, they're so cute. I didn't see any dicky birds in the sky this weekend, but maybe next weekend we will. Let's try it again. Two little dicky birds sat on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Oh, Jack is gone. Fly away, Jill. Jill is gone. Can you try that part with me? Put him back on the hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Let's let him fly away. First Jack. Fly away, Jack. Now Jill. Fly away, Jill. Watch this. Come back, Jack. He came back. He flew all the way back. What about Jill? Come back, Jill. Very cool. Let's try it again. Let's start from the beginning. Two little dicky birds sat on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Hi, Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. I love that one. It's one of my favorites. Thanks for doing it with me. Now I gotta tell you something about Jack and Jill. And it's kind of silly and it might make you go, ew! But it's the truth. You see, Jack and Jill, they kind of love each other. They're actually kind of in love. They're married. Jack and Jill love each other. They like to kiss. It's true. Jack and Jill. Show me again. Let's see Jack and Jill. Here we go. Two little dicky birds sat on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. We'll put a little kiss at the end. Yeah. They're actually so in love that they decided to start a family, and they had little dicky bird babies, and maybe I'll introduce you to those babies in the next few weeks. But now I want to talk about their voices. You see, Jack, he's a daddy bird, and Jill, she's a mommy bird, and they have daddy bird and mommy bird voices. See, Jack, he sounds like this. It's true. And Jill, she sounds like this. Would you do the Dicky Birds chant with me? And could you say it like Jack, the daddy bird. Let's try it. Two little dicky birds sat on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. And it's okay if you giggled a little bit because it is pretty funny. That was nice. Maybe this time you could say it like Jill. Remember, Jill's voice is all the way up here because she's a sweet little mommy dicky bird. Let's try it. Two little dicky birds sat on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Very nice. It's kind of silly, that part. I always think it kind of sounds like Mickey Mouse. He kind of has a mommy dicky bird voice. Very wonderful. You know, there's something I noticed about Jack's voice and Jill's voice, and it's that they're opposites. They're complete and total opposites. See, if I was gonna pick a word to describe Jack's daddy voice, I would pick the word low. Low. And if I were going to pick a word to describe Jill's mommy voice, I would pick the word high. You see, there's lots of low sounds in the world, and there's lots of high sounds in the world. And there's lots of low sounds in music, and there's lots of high sounds in music. And those two words in the world and in music are opposites. They don't mean the same thing at all. Low and high. Can you make a low sound for me? Say low. Low. Very nice. And can you make a high sound for me? Say high. Very nice. You see, low and high are very important in music, and we'll keep practicing low and high. But right now, I want you to watch the next part, and I'm going to explain to you how you can practice your low and high with a game. I hope you have a lot of fun. Thanks for coming to music class. All right, now I'm going to show you what we will be doing when you're all done watching this video. You'll see right up here, there's a picture of a very cute orange fuzzy monster, and this very cute orange fuzzy monster is actually holding an iPod. An iPod is a music player, so it plays lots of its favorite songs. It must like music just like me and you. We're going to click this cute fuzzy orange monster just like this. Click. And when we click it, something magical happens. It does. The magical thing that happens is that a game opens up. It says music opposites. Opposites are two things that mean, well, the opposite. Like high and low, fast and slow, right? Stop and go. We're going to play a music opposites game. To play the game, you can click anywhere on the screen. Click. And this page is all about directions. If you want, you can have a grown-up help you read through the directions, but you don't have to because I'm showing you the directions now with my voice. We're going to click anywhere on the screen again. Click. And now it takes me to our cute orange fuzzy monster holding his iPod, his music player. Let's see. He says, click on me, then click on the answer. We're going to listen to what we hear. He says, what is it? I've got to move. Get the right answer and watch me groove. All right, let's listen to what he has to say. Wow. Now we have to choose. Down here we have a word that starts with an L. It's low. Over here we have a word that starts with an H. It's high. We have low and high. You have to listen to that sound and decide which sound you think it is. Is it a low sound or a high sound? Let's listen again. I think it's a low sound. I'm going to click low and see what happens. Oh, when you get it right, he gets to groove. And you can groove with him. You can dance along a little bit. He's very happy. He said, correct. All right, now you can click on the screen. Oop, not up there. We already knew that answer. What you're going to do actually is right down here, there's an arrow. The very bottom, you'll see I'm circling it right here. You're going to click on that arrow. Boop. And it'll take you to our next fuzzy monster. This one's a purplish, bluish one. You're going to click that and do the same thing. I'd like you to click on the fuzzy monster on your screen now and see if you can try the game all by yourself. Have fun.